please subscribe, like, share, hit the bell icon. For aloo matar or green pea curry, following are the ingredients. First I'm going to cook the rice. Once my rice has been cooked, I'm going to separate it using a fork. To cook my aloo matar or green peas, following are the ingredients. I've got onions, curry leaf, ginger garlic paste, eggplant and potato. I've got cumin seeds. I've got hardi or turmeric powder, curry masala, green peas. Oil is an optional. If you want, you can add salt to taste, but I will be using ghee. I'm just showing it to you. And I've also got some curry leaves. I have got tomatoes, some cilantro, and for gravy I'm adding additional potatoes. First I'm going to fry all my ingredients in ghee. I've added ghee, onions, green peas, tomatoes, eggplant and potatoes in the pot, and I'm going to fry them with salt, masala or curry masala and turmeric powder. I'm gonna mix them well. Once the ingredients has been dry roasted and tomatoes are soft, that is when I will be adding the water, which is the next step. And I will cook the peas until they soften up. And when you press the peas, they should be easily broken, just like a mashed potato. You can see after adding water to it, I'm slowly reducing it. I've also added the cilantro to this, and you can now see that the green pea curry is ready.